So here in these questions, 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equal to 148 is given. Then we need to find the value of ABC, right? Let's see the solution of this given problems. So we can write the here the original equation is given 2 to the power of a, 2 to the power of b, and 2 to the power of c is equal to 148 is given. So here we have to multiply, right? Multiply and divide in LHS by 2 to the power of a, right? And so multiplying 2 to the power of a, 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c, and dividing by 2 to the power of a is equal to 148. And here 2 to the power of a into, and this separating the variables here, so 2 to the power of a divided by 2 to the power of a, and plus 2 to the power of b divided by 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c dividing by 2 to the power of a is equal to 148, right? And now so this we can take 2 to the power of a into, so 2 to the power of a, 2 to the power of a will be get cancelled, and so 1 plus, and we know that 2 to the power of we know that formula for a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, the formula for that, the here base are same, then we can write a to the power of m minus n. So here also the bases are same, therefore we can write here 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a is equal to 148, right? So now this 148, so we can factorize this one. So when we are factorize 248, then 2 7s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 8, then it is again we take 2, and then 2 3s are 2 7s is 2 7s is 14, and then we can write here 2 into 2 into 37, and 2 into 2 is 4, so 4 into 37, so we can write 148 as a as a 4 into 37. So here 2 to the power of a into 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a is equal to, this is 148 we can write as a 4 into 137, 4 into 37. And now so this we can separating these two variables, right? So these two terms I am separating. 2 to the power of a is equal to 4, and this second term is equal to 37. So 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a is equal to 37. So therefore here we can write 2 to the power of a, 4 we can write as a 2 square, here base are same, then we can write value of a is equal to 2, value of a is equal to 2, and again we simplify this one. So here we subtracting on both sides by minus 1, so then therefore then we can write 1 minus 1 plus 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a is equal to 37 minus 1. There then in 1 minus 1 will be get cancelled, and we'll be having here, so 2 to the power of a, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of c minus a is equal to 37 minus 1 is 36, right? And now so this 2 to the power of b minus a plus 2 to the power of this we can write as a, right? So 2 to the power of b minus a, to b minus a we can write as a 2 to the power of b divided by 2 to the power of a, and 2 to the power of c divided by 2 to the power of a we can write, right? Because we know that, so we know that a to the power of m to the a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. So therefore a to the power of m minus 1 is, we can write a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to 36. And now, so here, so LCM is the same here. So LCM 2 to the power of a to the power of a is same here. Then we can write 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equal to 2 to the power of c divided by 2 to the power of a. So for both terms we can write 2 to the power of a as a common, because LCM is same. So therefore we can write is equal to 36, and we know the value of a is equal to 2, right? So from here we know the value of a is equal to 2, right? We have found value of a is equal to 2, and now we can submit the value of a is equal to 2 here. Then it will be, so 2 to the power of b 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equal to 2 to the power of 2 is 4 and is equal to 36. And now we can write this this one further, to 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equal to, so here if it I take the 4 this side, then it will be 4 into 36. Okay, and 36 we can write as a, so 36 also we can write as a 4 nines is 36. So now 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equal to 4 into 36, we can write as a 4 into 4 nines is 36. And then we can write here 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equal to 4 into 4, we can write as a 4 square into 9. And now, so multiply, so now multiply and divide multiply and divide in LHS by 2 to the power of b. Okay, multiply and divide in LHS by 2 to the power of 2 to the power of b, as we have previously taken 2 to the power of a, dividing in LHS, dividing and multiplying multiplying LHS in 2 to the power of a, as like same we are also doing here, multiplying and dividing by in LHS by 2 to the power of b. Therefore we can write here 2 to the power of b into 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c divided by 2 to the power of b is equal to 4 square into 9. And here, so 2 to the power of b into, so separating these variables, 2 to the power of b divided by 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c divided by 2 to the power of b is equal to 4 square into 9. And here, so here also we can separating the two variables. This variable is equal to this variable, and this term is equal to this term. Therefore we can write 2 to the power of b is equal to 4 square, and the second one we can write as a 2 to the power of b divided by 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c divided by 2 to the power of b is equal to 9. And 2 to the power of b and 2 to the power of b will be get cancelled, and here we'll be having 1 plus 2 to the power of c divided by 2 to the power of b is equal to 9. And now come to the first equation, then it will be, so 2 to the power of b is equal to, here 2 square, then it will be 2 raised to 4, and here bases are same, then we can write value of b is equal to 4. Okay, value of b we got as a 4. And now this subtracting in this equation, subtracting minus 1 on both sides, then it will be 1 minus 1 plus 2 to the power of c divided by 2 to the power of b is equal to 9 minus 1, then 1 will be get cancelled, and we'll be having here we can write 2 to the power of c minus b as for the form as from the formula a to the power of m by n, a to the power of m. Okay, as formula a to the power of n divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus 1 we can write. So here a 9 minus 1 is 8, and this we can write 2 to the power of c minus b, and 8 we can write as a 2 to the power of q. And here 2 base are same, then we can write value is c minus b is equal to 3, and value of b we know, right? B is 4. There submitting the value of b is here 4 is equal to 3, then c is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So c value is 7 we got, right? So c value is 7, and b value is 4, and a value is 2, right? So here A value is 2. So, and to verify these values are correct or not in the original equation, now putting these values in values, so we got the values of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 4. So putting these values in the original equations, that is 2 to the power of A plus 2 to the power of B plus 2 to the power of C is equal to 148. If we put the value of A, B, C, if we got LHS is equal to RHS, then these values are correct. So here submitting the values, 2 to the power of A is 2 is given, 2 to the power of B is 4 and 2 to the power of C is 7 is equal to 148. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 4 is 16 and 2 to the power of 7 is, so 7 is 128. 128 is equal to 148, and now this 4 plus 16 is 20 plus 128 is equal to 148. So 20 plus 128 is 148 is equal to 148. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore we can say value of A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 7. These values are correct values, right? Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Please hit the bell icons for the notifications. Please do share with your friends. Thank you.